Hey guys, here to review the Aeropress. It is time for some coffee. And what do I have here? The Aeropress. This is a great press. Comes with everything you need, and let's get this party started. So here we go. You're gonna take these two things right here. You may not know what to do with. You got 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can adjust that however you like, but who doesn't want a full cup of coffee? So what we're gonna do is fill this with coffee grounds. Then we'll fill the rest with water. Okay, now I just ground some coffee beans and we'll put that right inside. So there we go. There is our coffee. Now, as you can hear, I've got water getting ready in the background. We're to take one of our filters. We're gonna put that right here and get that ready. You can also use this for scooping out already pre-ground beans. All right, now the water is ready, and what I like to do is start a timer. Once I pour this in here, pour it almost to the top. And we're gonna take our stir and give it a quick stir just like that. Leave it alone for 1 minute. So right now it's brewing and making coffee, caffeine goodness right now.
And I didn't show this when I recorded, but you're going to take this top filter holder and screw it on the top. And you'll do this before you turn the press over.
Then you'll take this other end, flip this over here, and we'll start pressing it right into your coffee cup. And pretty much let the weight of your hand do all the pressing to press it all the way down. Press it all the way down. Squish out all extra water. Okay, and then you are done. And now all we're gonna do is pull this off right here. I'm dripping a little bit. Pull this off right here. You pull your filter off and you'll just push this hockey puck coffee ground right out of there. Just push it right into the trash. And then very easy to clean. And there we go, all done, cleaned up, super fast, super easy. We've got coffee ready to go, although you can't see it because this isn't inside of a black cup right now. Just so you can see what type of coffee it just made. Oh yeah, super dark and super bold coffee. You can add a little water to this, make Americano, and you'll have great coffee every single time. Pour this back in here, and we are ready to go. Can highly recommend the Aeropress for sure. Check it out.